Dollar Yen Daily Forecast, February 8th, FXEmpire.com. The Tuesday session saw strength in the dollar yen pair as the Monday shooting star was overtaken by the bulls, as you can see. However, the area that we find ourselves in, and for lack of a better term, we'll call it 77, has been the site of serious consolidation and support in the past. And quite often you'll break down, you'll retest, and then you'll fail. Continue as the move down. What was one support becomes resistance, and vice versa. So the fact that we got a little bit of a pullback later in the session really wasn't a surprise, and it does kind of look like a shooting star again. Of course, the body is maybe a little bit too big. We'd rather see a smaller body, but it does suggest the same thing, that this pair is going to struggle to rise, and it could roll over. With the Bank of Japan admitting finally that they had been clandestinely operating in the markets, 7650 would be a good area to guess where they may have been. It's probably only a matter of time before they actually intervene. Knowing this, we are willing to buy from lower levels, as it at the very least, would give us a potential chance of at least picking up 50 or 100 pips. And of course, if we get really lucky, the Bank of Japan intervenes and we may pick up 200 or 300 pips. But in the meantime, we just can't buy at these higher levels because there's so much noise in this area. So we're waiting to see if it falls, and on any kind of supportive sign or perhaps an attempt at breaking the bottom that we've put in here recently, we would consider going long with a smaller position, not necessarily a massive position, as this is more or less waiting to see whether or not the central bank can come help us. But it does provide a trading opportunity.